Introducing PT1, the offensive security certification that gets you hired. This isn't a certificate of completion. PT1 is a real-world, hands-on certification built by industry experts to prove you're ready for the job. In a 48-hour exam, you'll tackle full-scale scenarios across web apps, network security, and Active Directory. You'll exploit real vulnerabilities, navigate complex systems, and deliver a professional-grade report, just like a real penetration tester. PT1 is entry-level, with 3 months of TryHackMe Premium included to help you prep. Fail once, you get a free retake. For just $297, or 15% off if you're already premium. You get training, labs, and the most job-relevant cert in its class. PT1 goes beyond hacking a box. It simulates the job, start to finish. If you're serious about cybersecurity, don't settle for theory. Prove your skills, get certified, get hired.